Hello, you're welcome. In this video, we are going to be looking at how you can edit and format labels in ThinkCell. So I'll start by inserting the ThinkCell chart that I'll be using for this demonstration. I will select this stacked column chart. And here we have our stacked column chart. So I have two options when it comes to editing this label. I can edit from this chart or from the Excel sheet. So let me start from this Excel sheet, from the chart I mean. So if I click on this series labels, I can change it. So let's say I'm working with continent data. I can enter Africa here, I can enter Europe here, I can enter Asia here. So this is one way I can perform my edit. Another way is to do this from the Excel. So I double tap here and my Excel sheet appears. Here I can enter 2027 and you watch what happens here. You can see it changes automatically. What gave us this section of 4 is this 3.9. We can actually change this. So what I will do is just edit this 8.9. Then watch what happens here once I enter. So this shows us that we can perform editing, not just on the chart, but also, so let me demonstrate how you can, these other labels that we have inside. So you can rotate this, can rotate as you want. So this is just for, we can actually rotate for all of them. So for this one as well, you can change from absolute to percentage. So it tells you the percentage of what it takes up here. You can also change to both percentage and absolute. As we can see here, change to series absolute. So you have different options. So let's just leave it as absolute here. Another thing is that you can change the font. So currently, this is the font size. You can change this to 20. And you can see the size here automatically changes. Now you can change this background. Let's just leave it as default. And let's bring this back to what it used to be. So if I want to change for all this, I can just select one, hold on to my shift key and then select this. Once I do that, I will have the option to change all of them. So I can change all of them to absolute and percentage, or just absolute, or just percentage, or just absolute. Now I can change this to hundreds. So you can see here, can change this to million. Let's just keep it the way it should be. I can change the font for all of them, can make all of them 28. And you can see the size. For the background, I can also change the background color. Let's say I want to change it to, you can see it automatically changes. I can rotate as I want. The kind of adjustments you can make to the labels when you've created labels in ThinkCell. So let's say I want to edit this from the sheet again. I can just double tap here to get my sheet out. Then this time around, you can see what I have here. I want to change this to various fruits. So here I want to change to apple. I want to change this to banana. I want to change this to orange. If I come here, you'll see it gives me a sign here, showing me that the link to the data sheet is broken. So for me to be able to reestablish this link, what I will do is just to click here. So I will just click here and I can clear this Europe, clear this Asia. And here I have what I want. And these are the demonstrations I want to make in this very video to show you how you can edit your labels in ThinkCell. And I hope you've been able to find this video helpful. Please, if you have, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.